Here we go. First start with the new exhaust in 3, 2, 1. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the video we have all been waiting for. Today is the day the 6-speed manual C300 screams. These parts behind me, in addition to what we are cutting off the car, will make this thing sound absolutely insane. We're heading off to our appointment at the exhaust shop in just a minute, so I think it's time we get one last cold start of the muffler delete setup it currently has. Oh yeah. It sounds pretty good, but it's about to sound a whole lot better. Oh, here we go.
It's about to sound a lot better.
It sounds decent right now. Like, don't get us wrong, a little muffler delete sounds good, but that's just the start. We'll explain once I set up the GoPro exactly what's inside these boxes and how we are going to make this car scream. Ooh, ooh, that manual. Look at that. Not something you see every day. To the exhaust shop we go. This day has been long in the making. Last week, I read so many forum posts. I read so many of your guys' comments to try to figure out what would be the perfect exhaust setup for this car. And luckily for us, one of our friends back in Virginia had an exact same generation C300, and he had an exhaust setup which I really, really liked. So I texted him, I'm like, yo, what'd you have? He says, I had a muffler delete, which we have now, and then he said I deleted the resonators and put in place a X-pipe. So we took into account a lot of your guys' comments saying, hey, I get you like straight piping everything, but chill out with this car because it's like a V6. It doesn't sound the best when it's fully straight pipe. The V12 Mercedes, sure, we can do whatever, we can make it crazy, but this car, we have to be realistic, especially because we're giving it away.
That's right, so we had to be emissions conscious if you live in a state that requires that, and also just, you know, conscious of something that would make anybody happy.
Oh boy. You guys saw these last video. With this new carbon fiber diffuser, it's going to enable us to put in the C63 quad tips. So these are going to get welded on in place of the stock tips. So that's going to look amazing in and of itself. But where the real sound is going to come out is with this bad boy. Here we have the X-pipe. Now, there's like a bunch of different X-pipes you can go with. MagnaFlow one, which a lot of people like to buy, is like over $100 now.
Are you serious?
So I said, no, I'm not paying $100 for that. So I found one that is the exact same thing. It's like 30 bucks on Amazon, or like $29. Same thing, as you can see there, it crosses over.
So this X-pipe will allow both halves of the engine's exhaust pulses to combine and create a different note. So it would be very noticeable if they were just kind of true dual exhaust out each side and never crossing over, versus this X-pipe should give it a slightly more exotic sound.
It's like we did on the Ferrari F430. If we left it how it was factory, it would have sounded kind of like 2 4-cylinders going at it, in a way. But when you combine it with an X-pipe like we did on the 430, it sounds like a full-blown high-pitched V8. So it gives you a little higher pitch and it gives you a much, much better sound. So that's what this is going to do. And it not only just plops into the exhaust, we're deleting the resonators, these massive resonators, which are toward the back of the exhaust. So we're cutting them out and we're putting this in. It's going to be the perfect balance. It's going to be loud, but it's going to sound pretty refined and nice. If we mess with the cats and delete the cats, we're not only going to fail emissions, which the giveaway winner of this car may have emissions in their state. Actually, nearly all states do. So that would be a problem, and it wouldn't sound the best. So this is the best setup. Comment down below if we need to make it crazier by the time we're done with it, but I think it is going to sound plenty loud.
And budget friendly, so in the spirit of this build, it definitely checks that box.
Heck yeah, 30 bucks plus, these are a little pricey. I mean, they're C63 tips, quad tips. They were like 120 bucks. This is the best mod you can do. We're not spending $1,000 on a fancy exhaust. Budget friendly, but balling on a budget. That's what it comes down to. Pulling up to the exhaust shop in just a moment. Farewell to the almost stock exhaust. You won't be missed. Let's get to it. The C300 is going up on the lift. It is time for this install and transformation to begin. Let's go. yeah. Oh boy. Oh snap. That was aggressive. Oh, much better. We're all paid up. Let's see what this thing sounds like on the road. That was a great experience here at Performance Muffler in Phoenix. Get this, $95.
Can't beat that.
To do the X-pipe, you know, weld in the extra section to connect to the X-pipe, the tips, get them all perfect and centered. They did a perfect job. I mean, the tips weren't even like perfect out of the box. They were a little messed up, but they kind of aligned them in a way where it looks really good.
They took their time to get the alignment perfect, so we really appreciate that.
Yep. Okay, all right, so at idle, it's almost the same, kind of. But you heard those few revs. That was wicked. For that X-pipe and resonator delete really shines in the upper RPMs. Again, this car is gonna be for one of you guys. Somebody's gonna be winning this car for free. Once again, quick note on that. We have decided with 100% certainty, this will be the next giveaway car. So as you guys remember, we gave away the Boxster for free to one of you all lucky subscribers. So once again, we are doing it with this car. And all you need to do, it's simple. Follow our Instagram page, free car giveaway. Now be sure you enter that correctly. Unfortunately, we have a fake spoof account trying to copy our giveaway page. That is a fake account, please report it. The real one is right here, free car giveaways. All you gotta do is follow that page and it's gonna be so simple to enter. In a matter of a couple weeks probably, we're gonna make it go live, the full giveaway. All you're gonna have to do is follow that page and follow some of our other Instagram pages and like our friends' Instagram pages and maybe a couple companies that we work with. That's it. It will be free. You won't have to pay us a penny and you have a shot at winning this beautiful Mercedes with now a full C63 looking rear end.
Yeah, so if you could please support this giveaway for a number of reasons. Number one, this could be your car. So like the videos and keep dropping those comments of what you'd like to see done to it. And then also to allow us to be able to give away more cars. That is our goal, that's our dream. Would really look forward to giving away maybe even one of these cars that we just bought. There's 2 new cars on the way to the channel, and I think one of them would make a perfect giveaway car that a lot of people will love.
I like the sound of that. Giveaway car number 3 coming up after this one. So yes, support this one and we will do future ones. And for everybody wondering like, oh, I'm not in the US, can I still enter? So we gotta hash out the exact details, but I think we're gonna go with the car, you have to be maybe in US or Canada or Mexico or something. But the other giveaway prizes, which we will do every car giveaway, we're gonna give away like, you know, whatever, iPad or GoPro, t-shirts, cash giveaway, something like that. Those prizes will be up for anyone in the world. So whether you're in the US or not, go follow the page and it'll be super simple for you to enter and you may just win something. Everyone has a fair shot at it. Everyone enters for free. We don't take a penny. We are currently on our way to Mexico so that we can get some accelerations, flybys, revs with this car and compare it to the stock exhaust. It already sounds a lot better. I hear it back there.
I'm trying
to give me like a little bit. Wow, there you guys have it. Comment down below. What do you guys think of the new sound? I think it sounds pretty good. Chris, what do you think?
I cannot believe it. It seems like we did a lot because we did tips and an X-pipe, but the tips don't do anything. That is all from an X-pipe in place of a resonator. Wow.
Those resonators were pretty big, so that really brought out some of that sound. And that X-pipe, you can tell it's got like a high-pitched sound above like 3,500 RPMs or something. So if you guys own W204 C300s and you're looking to do something similar, we'll be sure to link these tips. I bought these on eBay. They didn't send them out or anything. I just think they're pretty cheap, good deals. So I think tips are like 125 bucks and the resonator 20 something dollars. So all in all done, with the exhaust install for $95, we're under 250 bucks in this exhaust. And now with this carbon fiber diffuser, this thing, look at this, one last look here. This looks like a C63.
It does not look like our budget Mercedes that we're known
Yeah, this does not look like a cheap budget build.
So guys, what do you think? Is there anything more that this exhaust needs? I suppose in theory, if you guys went hard in the likes and comments and let us know what this car needs, we would be up for it. Those secondary catalytic converters could be replaced with straight pipes.
But it's gonna sound too raspy. I don't think it's gonna sound good. That's why we wanted to do just this. I think it's pretty good as is, but let us know in the comment section down below. Follow the free car giveaways Instagram page so you guys can stay tuned on the latest for the giveaways and be entered when all things go live. And like I said, a matter of weeks, it's right around the corner. Somebody will be winning this car. But oh boy, we're gonna miss it because this thing is so much fun. But be sure to subscribe to the channel.
And two cars, which are gonna be a series in and of themselves.
They're on the way. They'll be here in like 6 days. Those cars arrive off the transporters. Last but not least, those AMG wheels, I think we're gonna put them on the car. We want the real AMG wheels on there. These do look good, but I think a universal consensus in the comment section was, yes, put on the real AMG wheels, but powder coat them black. I think that's a good idea. So like powder coat with a refinish, fresh tires, that'll make these wheels look perfect for the car. A lot of video content on the way. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for watching another one of our classic straight pipings. I guess we'll see you guys in the next one, and we'll see you with the 2 new cars coming soon.
That it feels right.